I'll keep this concise, please like the video. This is the BENYAR automatic diver, the 5179, an impressive looking timepiece that I've been enjoying, somewhat. I'll drop an affiliate link in the description to where you can buy one. If you use the link, I can earn a small fee, but hold fire before making a purchase. Don't get carried away by the comically low price you may have seen these automatic watches for. You need to watch the whole video this time. The design takes inspiration from vintage dive watches with that classic black bezel, creamy colour lume, and bolt-shaped indices that give it a distinctive retro vibe. It has a stainless steel bracelet to complement the watch case. The bracelet is detailed with a BENYAR signed butterfly clasp. Inside, you get an automatic movement. The display case back allows you to see it in action. The bezel has a decent click action. And the domed crystal provides a nice vintage charm. So with classic diver styling, this BENYAR watch delivers a lot of character. That completes the good bits. It's some kind of plated watch case, which is why it looks so much shinier than the strap. Not in a good way. I bought my watch used and its last owner tried to brush the sides. You can't do that on chrome plating or whatever it is. Brushing just goes straight through to the base metal because the plating is just microns thin. You're supposed to brush the base metal and then plate it. I could fix it and nickel plate it, but I can't cost justify spending too much time on this. The bezel has this much back play. And for a watch that is styled as a dive watch, it surprisingly has a push-pull crown. The bracelet has these cheese-grater edges that you probably won't want. The case is a whopping 15.5mm thick because the automatic movement is rather chunky. If I give it a quick manual wind, it feels rough and sounds like a 100-year-old pocket watch. It's a Chinese-made movement. I found a couple of conflicting references for it, so I'll report neither, but they both stated only a 36-hour power reserve. If you have a watch with this movement and can share some long-term feedback, please do so in the comments. Overall, the watch is actually a lot of fun for what it costs, and it might be great for someone who is getting into watchmaking and wants a cheap automatic movement to practice rebuilding. Or if you fancy a bit of modding, I think these hands will fit an NH35 as their hole dimensions share near exact fitting tolerances. That's it, I'm out.